Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your account meets age and verification requirements, and you opted into Roblox voice chat. Next, update the Roblox client and your operating system's audio drivers so compatibility issues are removed. Once done, check microphone permissions in system privacy settings, then open Roblox's voice access page and run the built-in microphone test so you can see input levels and basic connectivity status. Now focus on network and in-game execution. You want a low latency path, so set your router or console NAT to open and avoid VPNs that block UDP traffic. In Roblox, enable voice chat explicitly, select the correct input and output devices, and set volumes so you're audible without clipping. Once done, verify party or server voice permissions and proximity chat toggles. These can silently block you. If you changed hardware, make sure to restart Roblox so settings apply cleanly. To finish, restart both the Roblox client and your device, then rejoin a public game and a private party to confirm consistent behavior. If problems persist, swap in another headset or microphone to isolate hardware faults and test on a different network to rule out router issues. Make sure to reset microphone and privacy permissions if needed and consult Roblox server status. If nothing works, file a support ticket with logs, include timestamps, device model, and the exact error messages you saw.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.